In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Hailuo AI. We'll walk through the quickest way to get started so you can begin exploring the platform right away. First, open your preferred web browser and head to hailuoi.video. Type the address carefully and look for the secure padlock in the address bar to confirm you're on the official site. Once the homepage loads, give it a second to finish rendering so all the buttons and links appear correctly. On the home page, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where the sign-in option lives on this site. It's easy to miss if you're scanning the center of the page, so slide your eyes down to the lower left. If you're on a smaller screen or zoomed in, you might need to scroll just a touch to reveal it. Website layouts can shift from time to time, but the bottom left placement is the intended spot for this button. Go ahead and click Sign In. This opens the authentication panel. It should load quickly, though depending on your connection, a brief pause is normal. If you use any extensions that block pop-ups or redirects, keep an eye out for a small prompt at the top of your browser. Allow the sign-in window for this site if it asks. You'll now see two straightforward options. Continue with Google or continue with Apple. Choose the one that matches the account you want associated with Hailuo AI. If you're already signed into your Google or Apple account in the browser, you'll likely jump straight to a confirmation screen. If not, you'll be asked to enter your usual account credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. After selecting your Google or Apple account, review any permission request that appears. These requests typically confirm your basic profile details so Hailuo AI can create your user profile. When everything looks right, proceed to continue. The site will process the sign-in, set up your profile behind the scenes, and then redirect you back to Hailuo AI. You should now land inside your account, ready to explore. If the page seems to hang, refresh once to sync your new session. And that's it. No extra forms or passwords to manage, just a clean sign-in with the account you already use. To recap, go to hailuoi.video, find sign-in at the bottom left, click it, and choose to continue with Google or Apple. Follow the on-screen prompts, and you're in. Enjoy getting started with Hailuo AI.